Which you saw, I have mounted one nut over here, along with there is one rod, and on the top of the rod I have mount the GoPro fittings. So you have seen the new angle from here. Hello YouTube, this is your UMESH and welcome back to my channel Old School Motorcycles. So in today's vlog I'll be installing new visor for my KTM Duke 250. So I bought that visor from Grant Road, which is near to Leamington Road. I bought it for like $1000. So along with the visor you'll also get bracket, so it can be easily fit and installed. Now I'll show you the installation process. So I'll be installing this Pro XP visor on my bike. Along with that you have this mount which will mount on you, and some sets of screws which come along. So basically you have to unmount this bolt, so this bracket fits over here. Missing someone. So as you can see, I have already installed the bracket. Now the easiest part, just bolt this and this screw over here and here, and you are done with the installation. And you did it right from the start. Looks amazing. You can see it from here. There was one clamp which is coming from here. I have just cut it through some welder. As you can see, यहाँ पे थोड़ा unfinished है, but it's fine. Now see, it's completely looking fine. So look how cool my bike is looking with black windshield and Barkbuster handlebars. थोड़ा सा ये है ना, इसे हाँ ये भी लगा. So guys, if you find this video informative, then do give this video a like. Also do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So my bike is looking pretty cool with this visor and those two handle guards. Also with the new camera angle. So I'll be doing a short ride, maybe solo or with a group. So let's stay tuned for the next video.